Hey, Mike with All-Brite Pressure Washing and more. Welcome to our pressure washing tutorial where we'll show you how we efficiently clean and restore a huge driveway using a 48-inch surface cleaner. First, we'll start by pre-treating the surface with a combination of sodium hypochlorite mixed with surfactant. This powerful combination will break down any dirt, mold, mildew, and organic stains on a concrete surface. Next, we'll attach a 48-inch surface cleaner to our pressure washer and begin the cleaning process. The surface cleaner evenly distributes water across a wide area, making it much faster and easier to clean large surfaces like driveways and patios. With this surface cleaner, we can clean about 100 square feet per minute. As we pressure wash, you'll see before and after results of the cleaning process, showcasing the dramatic difference in the appearance of the driveway. Once the cleaning's done, we'll do a final rinse and, if necessary, post-treat the surface to remove any leftover organic stains or lines. By following these steps and using the right tools, you can easily restore your driveway to a like-new condition. Thanks for watching and happy pressure washing.